If you work in LibreOffice Writer, knowing how to insert a non-breaking space can save you from awkward line breaks and make your documents look much more polished. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to keep words together on the same line whenever you need to. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting a new file, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. This works either way, so choose whichever option fits what you're doing. Now, in your document, place your cursor exactly where you want the non-breaking space to appear. This is important because the space will be inserted right at the cursor position, so make sure you click in the correct spot before moving on. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. When the Insert menu opens, look for Formatting mark. This is where LibreOffice keeps special spacing and formatting characters that help you control the look of your text more precisely. Once you open Formatting mark, click Non-Breaking Space. LibreOffice will insert that special space into your document instantly. The main purpose of a non-breaking space is to keep words together on the same line so they don't get separated when the text wraps. That can be really useful in things like names, initials, dates, abbreviations, measurements, or any phrase that should stay visually connected. For example, if you don't want a number and a unit to split across two lines, or if you want two related words to stay together, a non-breaking space is the right tool. It gives you more control over the layout and helps your text stay cleaner and easier to read. If you're working on longer documents, reports, or formatted pages, using non-breaking spaces can make a big difference in how professional everything looks. It's one of those small formatting tools that many people overlook, but once you start using it, you'll probably use it all the time. And that's it. You now know how to insert a non-breaking space in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the option is, and it can really help improve the formatting of your documents. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.